Hello friends. Let me welcome you to our YouTube channel, where we constantly add helpful videos to assist businesses to manage their software platforms. In each video, we cover a single topic and help you perform that task in a better way. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, subscribe to it to view more videos, and click the bell icon to get an instant notification whenever a new video is uploaded. A novice administrator may not understand why their database has no substantial space even if they delete their data. Let's take an example. In the Exchange Server database, you delete 4 GB of data from a total of 30 GB, but the size of the database remains the same. Such unusable space is called white space. You can use Exchange Management Shell and see the white space in a database. After checking for the empty space, you can defragment the database and recreate it again. It will replace the older files with new ones, eliminating the free space. Then, there will be no more white spaces in it. After you have checked the white space, dismount the database from Exchange Server. Now, defragment the database. Now, mount the database back to Exchange. Finally, you can check the usable space. I am sure that you have found this video tutorial useful for your business. If your Exchange server is facing some corruption and its data is inaccessible, you can use Kernel for Exchange server software and repair it. Please like, comment, and share this video to help other users also. Complete information about this tool is available on the web page of the software. Have a nice day.